If you're running your business right now, think about how many little things are happening every single day. Leads coming in, people calling, follow-ups getting sent, deals getting updated, reports getting built. And a lot of that work, if we're being honest, is not hard work. It's just repetitive work. Stuff that has to get done, but doesn't really need a human doing it every single time. And that's where this gets interesting, because when you combine GoHighLevel with something like Make, you can start building systems that take over a lot of that work completely. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 automations that people are actually using right now that don't just save time, they straight up replace roles inside your business. Now, first things first, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, we've got a link for you down in the description where you can get an extended 30-day free trial. All you got to do is click the link and sign up using it down in the description below. Automation number 1, the instant lead routing system. All right, let's start with the one that hits the fastest. A lead comes in. That moment right there is everything, because what most businesses do is nothing. The lead sits there. Maybe someone checks it in 10 minutes, maybe an hour, maybe the next morning. And by then, that person has already gone and filled out 2 or 3 more forms somewhere else. Just how people behave. So what this automation does is it removes that delay completely. The second a lead comes in, whether it's from a form, ad, or landing page, Make grabs that data immediately. And now, instead of just sitting in your CRM, it starts moving. It logs the lead somewhere like a Google Sheet, so you've got a clean record. Then it looks at the data. Where are they located? What service are they interested in? What did they click? And based on that, it decides who should handle that lead. Then it assigns it. Then it notifies that person instantly via Slack, email, or whatever you're using, all within seconds. No one had to check on anything. No one had to think about it. And this matters more than people realize, because speed is one of the biggest factors in whether a lead turns into a customer. When businesses respond fast, they win. When they don't, they lose leads, even if their offer is better. So what you've done here is remove human delay from the most important moment in your funnel, and that's why this one is so powerful. Automation number 2, the missed call recovery system. So now this one's a little different, because this isn't about new leads. This is about the ones that you're about to lose. Someone calls your business and you don't pick up. That happens all the time. You're busy, you're on another call, you're driving, whatever. Normally what happens is they hang up and that's it. Maybe they leave a voicemail, maybe they don't, but most of the time they move on. So this automation jumps in right at that moment. The second that call is missed, GoHighLevel triggers a workflow. That fires into Make, and instantly that person gets a text. Something simple like, hey, sorry we missed your call, want to book here? That message goes out while they're still holding their phone. That's the key. You're catching them before they move on. And from there, the system keeps working. It logs the call, notifies your team, can even trigger a follow-up sequence if they don't respond. This is one of the most common automation use cases in GoHighLevel, because businesses lose a ton of opportunities right at this exact point. And once you set this up, you don't really miss calls anymore. Even if you physically don't answer, your system does. Automation number 3, the lead nurture system that actually adapts. Now this is where things start to compound, because not every lead is ready to buy right away. In fact, most aren't. They're just looking, comparing, thinking about it. And what most businesses do here is either send one message and stop, or send way too many messages and annoy people. So what this automation does is it creates a structured follow-up system, but with some intelligence behind it. A lead comes in, and instead of just one message, they enter a sequence. Maybe they get a text right away, then an email the next day, then something useful like a case study or an example, then a follow-up a few days later. But here's where Make changes the game. Instead of everyone getting the same thing, the system starts reacting to behavior. If someone clicks on something, they go down a different path. If they don't respond, they get something else. If they book a call, everything stops immediately. That last part is huge, because nothing feels worse than booking a call and then still getting emails telling you to book a call. Good automation doesn't just send messages, it knows when to stop. And that's what turns this from automation into something that actually feels smart. This kind of workflow is exactly how modern CRM systems are designed, based on triggers and behaviors instead of fixed sequences. And once this is running, you've basically built a system that keeps leads warm without you touching anything. Automation number 4, the payment to fulfillment system. So now let's talk about what happens after someone pays you, because this is where a lot of businesses get messy. Someone buys something, and then there's a bunch of manual steps. Someone has to check the payment. Someone has to update the CRM. Someone has to notify the team. Someone has to send confirmation. And if any of that gets missed, things fall apart. So this automation connects all of that. The second a payment happens, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, whatever, Make detects it. And then everything starts firing automatically. The contact prospect gets updated in GoHighLevel. The opportunity gets moved. The deal gets marked as won. A confirmation message goes out. Your team gets notified. And if you need to send that data somewhere else, maybe another app, an internal system, whatever, you can do that too. Because Make isn't limited to just one platform. It can connect to pretty much anything with an API. So instead of having 5 disconnected steps, you've got one clean system. And this is where you really start to feel the difference. Because now you're not managing operations anymore. You're just watching them run. Automation number 5. The reporting system that runs itself. This last one isn't quite as flashy, but it might be the one that saves you the most time, especially if you're running an agency or doing anything client-facing. Because reporting is one of those things that just keeps coming back. Every week, every month, pulling numbers, updating spreadsheets, sending updates. It's not hard, it just takes time. So this automation removes that completely. Make pulls your data directly from GoHighLevel. Things like how many leads came in, how many appointments were booked, how many deals closed. It organizes that data, drops it into a sheet or a dashboard, and then sends it out automatically every week, every month, whatever you want. And no reminders, no manual work. And since GoHighLevel already has all of your data in one place, you're not chasing numbers across all these different tools. You're just pulling from one source and then distributing it. Once this is set up, reporting goes from something you do to something that just happens. What all of this really means. Now, if you zoom out for a second, these automations aren't random. They're solving very specific problems. The first 2 are about speed. The faster you respond, the more you convert. The third one is about consistency, making sure every lead gets the right follow-up. And the last 2 are about operations, making sure nothing breaks after the sale. That's really what this whole thing comes down to. Speed, consistency, and operations. When those 3 things are handled, your business starts to feel very different. Less reactive, less chaotic, and more predictable. Why this is actually a big shift. So this is the part that most people don't realize until they actually start doing this. You stop thinking in terms of tasks, and you start thinking in terms of systems. Instead of asking, did someone follow up with that lead? You start asking, is the system handling that correctly? That's a completely different mindset, and it's how you scale without just hiring more people to do the same repetitive work. So if you take anything from this video, it should be this. You don't need more tools. You don't need more people. You need better systems. Start with one of these. Just one. Build it out, test it, and see how it works. And once it clicks, you're gonna start seeing opportunities to automate things everywhere. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you learn GoHighLevel from the inside out, so be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.